Looking for quality-driven boat lift services on Cumberland Lake? Trust the pros at TN Econo Lifts LLC. Whether you're docking a fishing boat or your favorite weekend cruiser, we've got you covered. Cumberland Lake is more than a destination. It's a lifestyle. And your shoreline setup should match the beauty and function of the lake itself. That's why we proudly install Econo Lifts, engineered for strength, reliability, and smooth operation. No more stressing about launching or docking. Just press, lift, and relax. Protect your investment and enjoy instant water access all season long. Our team is local, experienced, and fully committed to top-tier service. We handle everything from consultation to install, with fast turnaround and no guesswork. Serving the Cumberland River region and all surrounding waterways. Trusted by homeowners, marinas, and lakefront property owners across Middle Tennessee. Ready to upgrade your dock life with a dependable lift system? Call TN Econo Lifts today or visit middletoneconolofts.com. Because quality-driven boat lift services on Cumberland Lake start with the name locals trust. TN Econo Lifts LLC. Raise your standards and your boat.